Now, we're going to try to go a little bit deeper, a little bit closer to the spine into a muscle that's called the QL. The stretch is a little interesting because it's at a 45-degree angle. So here's what I mean. We're not going to put our hand on the front of our thigh, left hand to the front of the thigh. We're not doing that. We're not going to put the left hand directly on the outside seam. We want to put the left hand kind of in the middle. Not front, not side, right in between, 45-degree angle. Inhale here. Exhale, and now trace diagonally. So your left shoulder is going to go forward, but your right shoulder is going to go backward a little bit. And that little bit of rotation, notice how it goes a little bit deeper into the muscles closer to the spine. So personally, I've got to tread lightly here because of my back issues. They manifest on the right side of my spine. So I'm going kind of easy, breathing, relaxing. Maybe make a fist with the right hand. Maybe that fist will creep up towards my right armpit. Maybe yours as well. Hang in there and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Tighten your muscles and come up out of that nice and easy. Now that gets deep. We get into these weird nook and cranny positions. And that's what's going to help keep us safe from being tweaked or spasmed or hurt, because we get used to these weird positions. So let's try right hand, not on the front of the thigh, not on the side of the thigh, right in the middle, 45-degree angle here. Inhale. Exhale. So as we bend 45 degrees, my right shoulder is going to be forward, but my left shoulder is going to be a little bit backward. And hopefully that puts the stretch right in the left low back, right in that little quadrant. We just hold here and breathe here. I'm looser on my left side, so you probably won't hear as much breathing as we go through the left side. But if you feel that need to find that inhale, exhale, maybe bring your left fist up into your left armpit, and maybe not. You may not need to intensify the stretch, and that's okay. Now hold here and breathe here. 3, 2, 1. Tighten your muscles and come up nice and easy. Good.